Dana Osgood has our forecast. Boy, the wind was back today.
Oh, 100%. I joke that the windiest spot in Portland is right outside of our studio.
It often feels like a wind tunnel.
Trying to walk from the parking lot, I was like, oh, my hair is ruined.
The hair, the clothes you're holding, it's all blowing. Yeah, it's pretty
yes.
rough. A lot of people facing that today, and it continues tonight. It's not letting up, it seems.
Yes, even through the day tomorrow, we're going to continue to contend with that wind. And in addition to just being a little bit annoying, it can also make it feel significantly colder than it actually is. Here's a look at some of our highest wind gusts observed today. We got 40-mile-per-hour gust in Portland, gusted to 28 in Freiburg, gusted to 35 in Sanford, gusted to 30 in Lewiston, a little bit lighter in areas of eastern Maine, but still a pretty windy day statewide. And it makes it feel even colder. Here's a look at some of those current wind chills. Feels like 2 right now in Caribou, feels like 4 in Greenville, feels like 11 in Portland, feels like 14 right now in Freiburg. So another very February day in December. We did have some sunshine out today, especially if you were in areas of central or southern Maine. A couple of flurries around up in the mountains and far northern Maine, but not a ton of precipitation, especially in comparison to yesterday. So overnight tonight, we are going to get fairly chilly, and we're still going to have that wind chill factor even during the overnight, still seeing wind gusts about 20 miles per hour. And then as we get into the day tomorrow, we will see a mixture of sun and clouds, but our high temperatures are going to be even lower than they were today, only in the 20s, and we're going to have the wind chill on top of that. So tomorrow will feel even colder than it was today. Then those overnight low temperatures will get back down into the teens and single digits, so it's another cold day there. And then we start out with some sunshine on Saturday, but we'll see increasing clouds in the late morning to early afternoon ahead of a very weak warm front that might bring a couple of flurries. So during the day tomorrow, wind gusts pick up once again, getting into the 35, even 40-mile-an-hour winds, especially in the late morning. So it's going to make it feel very chilly. So our feels like temperatures to start the day in the single digits, maybe getting into the teens by about midday, but our feels like temperatures will be below 20 degrees for much of the afternoon. And then that warm front on Saturday might bring a couple of flurries around, but not expecting a lot of precipitation. And then on Sunday, a larger system will pass to our south. So areas of southern Maine might get a couple of light snow showers or some flurries, but no big storms to talk about in that 7-day forecast. And I have teased a little bit of a warm up in that 7 days. So if we look at the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, we are actually in a warmer than average pattern. So temperatures are going to trend a little warmer, which means a chance to get back into the 40s perhaps. Marine forecast, water temperature is 46 degrees, gale warning in effect because of those gusty winds. So during the day tomorrow, we will have a little bit more sunshine around. However, it will be very windy and very cold once again. Then as we get into the weekend, starting out with some sunshine early on Saturday, but clouds increase throughout the afternoon. A stray flurry around on Saturday, though a better chance of that on Sunday, particularly in southern Maine. No big storms, though, in the 7-day forecast. Temperatures crash again as we get into the beginning of next week. Monday will feel very similar to tomorrow, but Brian, 42 for Thursday, perhaps.
Yeah.
We've been taking a look at it. There might be a chance of some precipitation. There's a little bit of disagreement right there, so we'll keep an eye on it, but we are going to eventually start trending in that warmer direction after we get 2 cool downs first.
Right, that's the painful part. A few dips.
That's the key there.
All right, Dana, thanks so much.